Alright, hello, it's Mr. Crozier. I want to give you some help on page 5 of your review packet. First off, we got to take the derivative here. Well, I would first off just rewrite it as x to the 1/2. Now you can use the chain rule and simplify it. Find the profit in dollars. Marginal profit is just a fancy word for the value of the derivative. So you're going to take the derivative and plug in 9 here because it's 9,000 computers, but the formula is in thousands of computers. So 9. Take the derivative, plug in 9. Here the limit as x goes to 1. Well, if it's going to 1, you have to use both the left and the right. Plug them in. Needs to come out to be equal. Here's the graph. When is it continuous? Well, it looks like it's continuous all the way because I can draw it without picking up my pencil. When is it continuous? All real numbers. But when is it differentiable? There's one spot on here where you can't find the derivative. So what we would write is x is in the elements of the real numbers, all of them, such that x isn't what number. I'll let you figure that one out. But what number on here is it not differentiable at? Find the limit as x goes to -7. Well, that's just direct substitution. Put that in. But if you put it in now, you'll get 0. But you can factor the top, and I'm sure you'll find something to cancel out. On this one, what values of a make the function continuous? So continuous here means the left side needs to be equal to the right side. We need them to match up perfectly. Well, you can put in 2 here and here and here, and then you'll have an equation you can solve for a. Find the derivative again. Take this, and this is x to the 2nd power, but a third of that. So x to the 2/3 plus ln of x. Then take the derivative here, add it to the derivative there. The derivative here, well, once you take the derivative here, let's see here, what would the derivative be? Well, that'd be 1, and then derivative of cosine is negative sign, so it makes it positive 2 sine of x, plug in a 0, solve that equation for x, and I'd have what? Sine of x would be equal to -1/2. Use your unit circle. There's 2 spots on here where sine's -1/2. A particle moves along this. When is a particle at rest? So find the derivative. When is the derivative equal to 0? Find it, set it equal to 0, solve it. Right here you have 2 different parts. You're going to use the product rule. And I'll give you a clue. You're going to get to one part that looks like this. And we're going to have to solve that. The way we solve this, one way, is to set it equal to 0, move the cosine over there, and we have sine of x is equal to negative cosine of x. Now if we divide by cosine on both sides, let me write it over here. Sine divided by cosine is tangent of x, and this would be a -1. So you can use the unit circle to figure out that part right there. And simply here, take the derivative twice. Bring all those down, get it, bring them down again. Alright, hope this helps with page 5.